Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty and hair care with what can only be described as the best mannequin head with hair for black girls available. The Millishine mannequin head with human hair. Now, what makes this mannequin head stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, it's crafted with 100% real human hair, ensuring the most authentic experience for practicing various hairstyles. And don't worry about hygiene. All the hair has been chemically washed and disinfected, so you can use it with confidence. Whether you're into braiding, curling, straightening, dyeing, or even bleaching, this mannequin head can handle it all. It's like having your own personal hairdresser right at home. Plus, it's the perfect tool for cosmetology students, beauty school educators, or anyone looking to up their hairstyling game. But wait, there's more. When you purchase the Millishine mannequin head, you'll also receive a table stand, comb, rubber bands, and colorful braided hair ropes. Everything you need to unleash your creativity and master those intricate hairstyles. And here's the best part. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, you can return it within 30 days, no questions asked. That's how confident we are in the quality of this product. So, whether you're a seasoned hairstylist or just starting out on your hair journey, the Millishine mannequin head is the ultimate tool for honing your skills and unleashing your creativity. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your hairstyling game. Click the link in the description to get yours today.